In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access and use Grok on Twitter, now called X, in just a few simple steps. If you've been wondering where Grok is, how to open it, and how to start asking it questions, this tutorial will walk you through the full process from beginning to end. This is a quick and easy guide, so even if you're brand new to X, you'll be able to follow along. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this one. All right, let's get started. First, log into your X account. You can do this on desktop or mobile, but for this tutorial, I'll be showing the basic steps inside the X interface. Once you're signed in, look at the main navigation menu on the left side of the screen. This is where you'll find the different sections of X, like Home, Search, Notifications, Messages, and more. In that same left-hand menu, you should see the Grok icon. Click on the Grok icon to open the Grok experience inside X. Once it loads, you'll be taken into the Grok interface, where you can start interacting with the AI assistant directly. Now that Grok is open, look at the message box at the bottom of the screen. This is where you type your request or question. You can ask Grok almost anything, whether you want help writing, summarizing, brainstorming, explaining a topic, or getting quick answers. Type your question clearly into the box, and then press Enter on your keyboard. After you submit it, Grok will process your request and generate a response for you. If needed, you can continue the conversation by asking follow-up questions in the same chat. That makes it easy to refine your results and get more detailed answers over time. The best part is that once you know where to find Grok, the whole process is very fast. Just log into X, click the Grok icon in the left menu, type your question, and press Enter. That's really all there is to it. If this tutorial helped you learn how to access and use Grok on X, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.